Hello, everyone. Welcome. Hello, everyone. Welcome. Here we are live again. Hello, everyone. Welcome. Here we are. Let's give it a second and we start. We're a little bit late, but still ready to trade as the market open in 20 minutes. So we have a bunch of times for have a recap of what's going on in the market, what happened this week, if we are in line with the weekly prep that we made back on Monday on Funders Pro Instagram channel. Before we start, please be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification so you won't miss any live. Every Thursday, this time. How was your week, guys and girls? Was a green week or a red week? Green or red? Let me know in the chat. And if you have any question, please ask. Let's just don't waste time and let's start. So we will prepare them. We're gonna wait for the market to open. What you're seeing right now is the chart that I use. Today we're gonna trade the NASDAQ. You can trade it both on the CFDs, so you can use Funder Pro or Funders Pro Future if you want to trade futures. I'm gonna trade futures today. So hello traders, welcome back. This is Michele Rossi live on Funder Pro. Thank you for being here. So before we start, the session is strictly educational, no financial advice. We're here to understand why the market moves, not to gamble on lines or fantasies. So today we will apply the same approach. So my FIST framework, fundamental analysis, intermarket sentiment, and technical analysis, in this exact order, because technicals alone don't move price. Let's break down what is driving this market this week and today. On the fundamental pillar, the Fed cut rates in October, but Powell made one thing crystal clear. Inflation is still sticky, and further cuts are not guaranteed. Markets wanted another cut already in December. Odds dropped from 90% to 65%. And that uncertainty creates hesitation on risk asset, especially tech. At the same time, strong earning like Imagine beating expectation are helping support the NASDAQ from deeper weakness. On the second pillar, the intermarket analysis yields up, so the pressure on growth stock. The dollar is easing. We have a slight relief from the equities. Oil and gold are holding strong on geopolitical risks. This gives us a market that wants to go up, but it's constantly checking over its shoulder. So we got to be careful, but the direction I'm looking at is up for the overall market. Yes. Even if Michael Burry is still shorting the Nvidia, is shorting the S&P 500. He did plenty of times, and the last time he did, the market is up 70%. So he's managing a different stuff, a different amount of money, and in a different way. So don't trust everything you read online. Don't follow blindly, but do your research, even on what I say. On the third pillar, sentiment analysis, short-term sentiment is improving thanks to deep buying at key support level, hopes for tariff relief, and mostly strong AI-driven investment plans in tech. But volatility remains high and breadth is weak. This is not a market to chase blindly. On the technical side, we're currently trading between 25,500 and 26,000 on the NASDAQ. My levels for today, let me put it down on the chart, are the 25,500. So this level right here. And if unfortunately, we don't have labor data. They're being canceled for a couple of months now. But that would be our driver today. So we got to be careful because we don't have data on the job market, even though we can see from the chart that the labor data, which is this blue line right here, is trending super low since the word adoption of AI right here. You see, we got the job offers of the US dropping, is now down 41%. That's a huge downtrend. I guess you agree with me. We're on a downtrend, and that started exactly when we saw a huge spike up on Nvidia. Just say one. Do your own research about that because it's super interesting. Going back to the NASDAQ, which a big part of the NASDAQ, as you can see from the stock heat map, is made by Nvidia. Look how big Nvidia is waiting on the NAS. So risk-off flows might push price lower, but honestly, I do not expect that today, as dollar is dropping super hard, but it just even bounced off this support, very strong support level around 99,300 right here. So if we break down here and go down, we might see trending down also the NASDAQ, but it's a very complicated situation. The other side that I'm looking at is 26,000. So I guess today we're gonna have our trade in between this area. We have a level of support by speaking about technicals right here at 25,636, and a level of resistance. The first one is 25,816. But we want to see also what the S&P 500 is doing. Now we have a super huge support right here at 6,800 basically, and the resistance, the first resistance, so we're gonna trade in between, is 6,840. As always, we want a good risk to reward. Never size emotionally, and let the price confirm direction. One stop loss or one take profit, it doesn't mean anything. Understand how and why market move. having planned our trade prior to the move, using the right sizing approach and risk approach is key, because it's something that you can repeat time over time and possibly become consistently profitable. So this said, if you have questions, please ask. We have 10 minutes to go. You can drop it in the chat. This is about withdrawal. How does withdrawal in the Funder Pro futures work? The best thing to do is go on the website and read the rules. But basically, once you pass the evaluation and get a funded futures account, you have a profit target and safety net. You first need to reach the initial profit target above the max drawdown buffer. You got a max trailing drawdown of, I guess it's 2,500. Account balance must be at least 2,500 above starting equity before your first withdrawal. And then you can ask your payout. But please don't take my word. Go and read the rules on the website. It's super easy to understand. This is the fact. When you go on the website and you check for the rules, and the rules are clearly stated, they are easy to read, which they are on Funder Pro or Funder Pro Futures. They're super easy to read on the first landing page on the website. You can read the rules. They're very simple to understand, to read, and to follow. So if you see a prop that is not so clear about rules, be careful. Eight minutes to go. Exactly. Thanks, Funder Pro, for posting the direct link. And be sure to use the code that you see down below right here. Use the code LIVE to get the best discount. That's one of the best features that Funder Pro have. As they're saying in the chat, after the third reward, you unlock daily rewards. So it works basically like a live cash account. You can just ask, make profit, ask for your profit, and take it. That's it. And I guess that's the most cool features that no other prop have at the moment that I'm aware of. Forza. Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna wait for the market to open in 6 minutes. These are the key levels that I'm looking at because we don't have major news going on today. So we already talked about the overall direction, the overall possible outcome, continuation on the upside. I'm not against sell. This is not the best setup that I'm seeing right here because we have this little this pullback from the all-time high. We created this downtrend, then we just bounced back. I guess it's about, if I use the Fibonacci tool, it's gonna be, I guess, probably around the 50%. Exactly, 50%. Then might be also a continuation on the downside until down here till the 25,300, or we might continue on the upside. So that's why I wanna short below this area right here, or buy above this area. What do you guys think? Let me know in the chat where we're gonna go. What is most possible? What do you think? We're gonna go keep continuing down, or we're gonna retrace more back? This is gonna be a scalp, so we can get both sides, but I want to know what you think. Let me know in the chat. Is bullish, it will sweep the low and go high. One indicator that I use that is free is the session indicator, which is used to mark the sessions low and high. So we have this huge level right here. If we're using the heat map with Volumetrica or the book map or whatever you use, 9:30 opening, it's going to sweep that low. Yeah, we'll see. I do not predict the market. I don't have a sphere to predict the market. So I try to react on what is going to happen. I never claim what the price is going to do because nobody knows. If it's going to do that, good. If it's not going to do that, good. Not a problem. But for sure, it's a very strong level right here. So usually what I do is I observe, I try to look closely this level and how the price react to this level. So it's gonna be some trade like this. It might be a trade like this, break and retest every time and going level to level every time. So I want to also mark up this area right here. These are going to serve as support and resistance to level where I'm going to be entering the trade, close the trade, take a partial. We're right in the middle, in between the London high, Asia high, London low, Asia low. Yes, we're right in the middle. Guess this one is going to be an interesting level, technically speaking. This one right here. Let me know, guys, what you think. Ditemi che cosa ne pensate, eh? Write in the chat. Scrivete in chat. It's very good for me to have feedback from you. So I'm gonna usually if I place a trade, I wait for the first 5 minutes, market the opening range high and opening range low. The first 5 minutes, I put my VWAP on the opening and see who's in control. And I'm gonna be reacting using those key level. If those key level are moving according to the major key level, which are the line that I already draw right here, I'm gonna use those lines. So here we go. Let's anchor the VWAP on the first candle. And let's wait. So it just hit the major support level. I don't know, Erno, we will see. I'm not trying to guess what the market is going to do. As we don't have news and it's been a month now, I'm gonna react on what I see based on my experience. That's what I'm gonna do. I would love for the price to stay right here until the first 5 minutes. I'm usually also checking the Magnificent 8, what they're doing, how they're opening, how they're reacting. This is the chart. We got Apple, Nvidia, Microsoft, Amazon, Alphabet, Google, Meta, Tesla, and Broadcom. I'm also looking at the, oh, this is a good move. This is a very good move. I'm gonna probably go for a buy. If the price hold, I'm gonna enter here, put my stop loss down below right here, but let's wait. I'm not doing anything at the moment. If I'm in a trade, I'm gonna tell you. That's good. It's bouncing back again right here. Let's wait. 3 minutes. At the moment, it's doing what I would love it to do. I try to stay unbiased. And we almost have our 5 minute range. We got 30 seconds. And we mark the opening range high and low, which is going to be, I guess, this one right here. The S&P, it should close below. It should close, sorry, above this area right here. If it closes above this area, we're going probably higher. If it fails to break this area, we're going to bounce back and going down. Then I'm going to wait. So if it fails, I'm going to wait for this to happen. See, this is a key area. This is a key level. We want to see how it reacts right here. Wait, I'm waiting. I'm not giving out signals. I'm not saying buying, sell. I'm just showing my reasoning. You do what you think is best for you. We just break the opening range low. We got the London low and the Asia low. Let's see how it reacts. Now, I want it to do like this to enter a buy, okay? If it fails, I'm gonna look for a sell possibly, but I don't like it very much, honestly. So I guess I'm gonna wait. It's closing inside, 2 minutes, and let's wait. I'm waiting. Bounced off again on the VWAP. Let's see how this candle closed. We have 2 minutes. It's popping up. Let's see if it's not a fake out. I'm going to place a buy limit right here. If it goes back and hit the buy limit before it goes up, I'm going to enter the trade. Exactly on the VWAP. It's going to be my trigger. If it hit right here, I'm not entering at market price. I wanted the price to touch right here and go up. Wait. 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 I'm not in. I'm not in. I'm not in yet. I'm not in. Not in. It's a little bit low. I'm not in yet. I'm not in yet. I just moved my buy limit. It's on the upside. I want to see the price to reverse. If not, I'm not gonna enter. I'm not in. Let's go. I'm in the trade. Stop is right here. Take profit is right here. I'm out. Stop loss hit. Stop loss hit. I'm out. Let's wait. Now it break below this area. Bad timing. Bad timing. I was wrong. I'm now waiting for the 15-minute orb. Let's wait. 100-point range. It's a good range. It's a good 15-minute range. Nice move. Very nice move. Might consider a buy right here if it hits. And it hit the VWAP. Let's wait, let's wait. Let's wait. And I'm in the trade. I'm in the trade. I'm in the trade. Stop loss 25 point. Risk to reward 1-to-1 on the live account. TP is going to be right here above this level. It's going to be about 1-to-1, and we let that run if it does. This is my second attempt today. I give myself usually three trades. I'm going to use multiple account, and there it goes. This is the trade. I have too many screens. Sorry, guys. Come on, another peep. Another peep. I'm gonna go. Okay, I'm gonna go break even, and didn't hit yet. But I'm break even, trade free, risk free. Sorry. It hit the first TP. I'm out on the live account. I'm still in on the demo account. I wanna capitalize on bigger move. I'm break even on the demo account. Let it run. So stop loss is a break even right here. Let me color it red. Let me wait. I forgot to move it on the demo account. Here it is. They all bounce back. Look at that. That's why. Now we would need Microsoft to bounce back. There it goes. You do you with your stop loss. You can trail. You can leave it down at break even. We're now a 1 to 0.65 risk to reward. Choose your target. Choose your target wisely. I'm staying in. On the live account, I close it with a 1-to-1 risk to reward because I need to keep consistency. On the demo account, I try to hit higher risk to reward ratio when it happens. When it does not happen, no problem. Not a problem. And I'm out. I'm out at break even. So it's 1 loss, 1 TP on the live account, on the funded account, 1 break even on the challenges. I don't know what it's gonna do from now on, but this might be, look, that gives us a nice insight on where we entered. That was a good entry point. That was a good entry point. But right now, I don't know where it's gonna to go. It's right in the middle, in the opening range. Look at that. I don't know. See, I guess now we're going down until right here, 6,790. If it holds below right here, we might short the outside of the opening range. So this was break even, win and break even, 1 loss, 1 win, risked 1, lost 1, risked 1, win 1 per break even. Basically, I try to be consistent on what I do and why, and I try to follow a strict risk management. Means that I'm gonna open trades on different accounts. So I try to go and differentiate my risk on multiple accounts. That's why I like to have multiple accounts and not open all the trade on the same account. Guess at this point, I'm gonna go short. This is the last trade. Gonna go short. Break and retest of the orb, 15-minute orb. Break and retest. There you go. I mean, let me draw this down for you guys. Short right here, short right here, stop loss is right here. Take profit 1-to-1 is gonna be right here, and I let it run down. If it goes, look, this is the trade. Sorry, but I'm speaking. It's very fast to do and to show. If it breaks this support area, we have all this huge range to go down. The TP is gonna be around right here. Just hit it, just a little bit. It hit the TP, but it didn't take the TP. It's going back. Let me see if it re-enters the range. I don't want to risk another 1%. So if it re-enter and close right here, I'm gonna close at a half lot size or contracts. If it stays down below, I'm happy to stay in. Let me put my finger on the trigger to close it because it might happen real quick. I don't want to risk it. I'm gonna go out if the price reached 25,600. I'm gonna go out and risk only 0.5%. Still look good. Look at the S&P 500 is dropping. It's dropping hard. We just needed I guess it's 1 tick or something that it didn't hit the first TP with a 1-to-1 risk to reward. Didn't hit by 1 single tick, but it happens. And So my stop loss is now right here, 25,600, as I said, right here. And let's go, give me my TP, and we go home with one win overall. Let's go. Push, 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 push. Push, 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 push. Push, push, push. Come on. Don't do this to me. Don't do this to me. Give me. There you go. TP. TP1. I let it run on the demo account. So 2 TP on the funded account, and let's bring something home, I guess. It's almost 4 p.m. here in Italy. This kind of strategy, I don't go further than 4 p.m. We might be 3 p.m. UTC. So I'm gonna take it and bring it home, I guess, in a couple of minutes. Let's see. My stop loss is now at break even with the challenge account. Go down, it go down. If it go back, hit my break even, and the day is over. If it go down, I let it roll. Let's let it roll. I'm still in. Let's go. Let's go. A little bit more, a little bit more, a little bit more. A little bit more. Eyes changes, glasses changes because my phone started doing something. I have the Meta glasses. These are not the Meta glasses. The others are. If it hits right here, I'm gonna go out. S&P hit right here. We got already a good risk to reward at this very moment. It's a 1 to 1.5. That's great. It's very great risk to reward. I'm gonna probably take my trades and be out before this candle closes. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna let's say I'm gonna trail it for 300. I'm at break even with the account. I'm gonna take it. Let's take it. 50,000. Okay, that's great. 400. Different account. And I'm good. It's rolling on another account. It's still rolling on another account. This account, I needed to bring it back. This other account. I let the thing roll on this other account. And this is going to be my stop loss at this very moment, right here. This is the last chance to stay in for the whole move. This is the last chance. This is our support on the 5-minute chart. We got 1 minute, 20 seconds until my trading window for this session finished. Let's see if we have still a little bit of power. Let's go. I'm gonna trail it down right here. I want to take it. If it flips back, I'm gonna take it right here. It's gonna be a solid 1 to 2.5, 1 to 1.5. Sorry, it was right here. S&P just break below right here. If it flips back, I'm out. Come on. Last TP approaching. Last TP approaching. It's going to be a solid 1 to 3 risk to reward. And there you go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's bring it home. Great move. Great move. Great. Awesome. Awesome. How did it go, guys? Let me know in the chat. Did you guys took some trades today with me? Let me know in the chat. Give me a message in the chat. Leave a message in the chat. Let me know what you did. Thank you, Serena. It was a little bit hard because when the first one hit back and you have a strong bias like I had today, it's really difficult to have the second one. The second one was a TP on the live on the funded account and the break even on the demo. 350 euros. Great, great, Serena. Anybody else? Let me know in the chat, please. Leave a message. It's free to message. And the second one, break even. So it's one loss, one break even on the challenge, then a full 1 to 3 TP. That's awesome. I differentiate on multiple accounts. So I have different multiple accounts on the prop right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 accounts. Did you guys enjoy this? Dal cameriere al trader. Great. Did you enjoy the live? I'm sorry, we're not yet ready to put out the whole power of trading the news, but we're gonna do soon as soon as the shutdown finished. The US shutdown. Okay. Well, guys, 300 euros, one loss, 2 win, plus 1,200, a little scalp short 1,500. Great. Ciao Dario. Ciao dal cameriere al trade. Guys, so thank you very much. Thank you, Funder Pro, for making this possible, and thank you, traders, for the focus and energy today. Not that much, actually. I expect you guys to be more with me. But I hope you enjoyed the live. Remember, we're gonna be back Monday for the weekly prep right here on Funder Pro Instagram channel. So not right here, on the Funder Pro Instagram channel. So you can start the week with a clear plan, not luck. And we trade again next Thursday, same time. If you want to take a challenge, use the code live down below for, I guess it's gonna be 20% or 10% discount. Just take a look. I don't know if the promotion is still active. Take a look. You can use it on Funder Pro or Funder Pro Futures. Follow me on Instagram for daily market insight. It's Michele Rossi Official, the name that you can see right here, or Michele Rossi Official ENG for the international version. Have a great trading day, and let's stay smart, disciplined, and prepared. See you next time. Cheers. Ciao a tutti.